this drainage is coming out the side and into the gully, which is over here. The clay line is in great condition considering its age. We are 93 centimeters down, according to this guy. Down the line, we can see the condition of the drain as we track the position. The roots seem to be holding off for now. Moving forward through the drain into the manhole, which is on the other side of the boundary wall in the council. Just to confirm positioning and depth, we go through with the Utilitrac and mark the position of the drain so it can be excavated in place. Yeah, that's about right. A straightforward piece of drain from the manhole through to the street, about 90 centimeters down. Only one slight blemish, but otherwise all good.